Here's a fun one. So if you've been watching the news and specifically science-related articles, NASA launched a probe at the sun, and it was supposed to go through the edges of the sun, actually touch the sun, they say, and come out the other side, hopefully surviving the whole process. So NASA confirms the solar probe made the record-breaking close approach to the sun. The Parker solar probe successfully made the closest approach to the sun, according to NASA. Earlier in the week, the spacecraft passed within a record-breaking 6 million kilometers of the scorching star at the center of the solar system. NASA received an all-clear message from Parker late on Thursday night confirming that it had survived the journey. With its close brush complete, the craft is expected to circle the sun until at least September. Parker's solar probe was developed as part of NASA's Living with a Star program to explore aspects of the Sun-Earth system that directly affect life and society, said NASA. Now, interesting, incredible, and all the things that go with that kind of article. But here's some other interesting things. It passed within a record-breaking 6 million kilometers at a time when we've completed 6,000 years of human history and reaching the point of the end. It came incredibly close to the sun, and the Son of God is about to come and fetch his bride right now and come back in judgment just a mere 7 years later, slightly less than 7 years, because if those days were not shortened. It survived the journey. Mankind has survived the journey to 6,000 years, not very well. And from here on in, if you read the book of Revelation, it's a downward spiral in numbers very fast. The craft is expected to circle the sun until at least September, which is interesting because then all the Jewish feasts that still need to be fulfilled start kicking in September, October. So Rosh Hashanah, Tabernacles, Yom Kippur, all these. Interesting. And the solar probe was developed as part of the Living with a Star program to explore aspects of the Sun-Earth system that affect life and society. They should be exploring aspects of the Son of God and us and how that affects our lives, and how that should be something we're more focused on than anything else at this point in history. So again, I know NASA means deception, but I like to poke fun at them and bring things back to the Word of God. 6,000 years in, they've come within 6 million kilometers of the sun. We are telling them to come closer to the Son of God while there is still time, because there will come a time in the tribulation when mankind will be scorched by this very same star that they're studying. Shalom.